Hello everybody. Our today's topic is patent registration in India. We will cover the whole procedure, requirements and fees for the registration of patent in India. The complete patent registration process involves a series of steps which are to be mandatorily followed to get a patent in India. So there are certain steps which are to be followed compulsorily if you want to get a patent in India. First of all, you have to check the patentability of the invention. You can do this by performing a search. Then you will have to draft a patent application. After drafting the application, you will have to file it. After this, the publication of your patent application will take place. Then your patent application will be examined. Finally, the patent will be granted. Now the first step is checking the patentability of the invention by performing a search. Before filing a patent application in India, one should perform a detailed patentability search to determine whether a patent for it will be available or not. So as to conduct the patentability search, you can use the link which is available on the screen. Well, it is not mandatory to check whether the invention is patentable or not. But this is still a very important step which you should not miss. The link which is mentioned on the screen will help you to search the patentability of the invention. Drafting of patent application. The next step involved is to prepare an application form in form number 1. Each application has to be accompanied by a patent specification. This has to be prepared in Form 2, where one has to provide the complete or provisional specification depending upon the state of invention. So here you have to provide that your invention is partially completed or is fully complete. In case if you file a provisional application, a time gap of 12 months is provided to finalize the invention and file the complete application. A patent draft will also be required to be submitted along with the application. The patent draft is considered a very important document as the same will be used by the patent office in deciding whether or not patent should be granted. Filing the patent application in India. There are certain stages through which the patent process has to go. First of all, you will have to provide an application for the grant of patent. Then you will have to specify whether the invention is provisional or complete. Declaration as to inventorship. Forms are to be submitted by only startups and small entities. After all this process is complete, the next step will be publication of patent application. Patent application filed with the Indian Patent Office will be published in the official patent journal. This is generally done after 18 months of filing the application. In case one wants to get it published earlier, then he can make a request in Form 9 for early publication. If there is any restriction placed by the Indian Patent Act with regards to the publishing of the patent, then the patent will not be published in the journal. Examining of the patent application. Every application filed for the protection will be examined before a patent is finally granted. The application has to be made for examination in Form 18. Once the application is filed, it is transferred to the patent officer who will examine the application. This is to ensure that the application is in accordance with the Patent Act and rules. A thorough search is conducted by the officer where he analyzes the relevant technology in depth and the objections. The report which will be issued in this case will be called the first examination report. Finally, the patent will be granted. The patent will be granted once all the objections are resolved. Now there are certain things which are to be kept in mind while filing the patent application. The fees payable with respect to the grant of patents and application therefore, and in respect of other matters for which fees are required to be payable are specified in the first schedule. An additional fee of 10% is payable when the application for the patent and other documents are filed physically. The fees payable under the Act or rules may be paid at the appropriate office either in cash or through electronic means or may be sent by bank draft or banker's check. The amount is payable to the controller of patents and drawn on a scheduled bank at the place where the appropriate office is situated. If the draft or the banker's check is sent by post, the fee shall be deemed to have been paid on the date on which the draft or banker's check has actually reached the controller. Where a fee is payable with respect to a document, the entire fee shall accompany the document. In case of transfer of application from a natural person to other natural person, and if there exists any difference, the fee shall be paid by the new applicant with the request for transfer. In case an application by a small entity is fully or partly transferred to a person other than a natural person, and if there exists any difference, the fee shall be paid by the new applicant with the request of transfer. In case an application processed by a startup is fully or partly transferred to any other person, the person who is other than a natural person or a startup, and if there exists any difference, then the difference shall be charged from a startup and such person to whom the application is transferred. In short, we can say that this shall be paid by the new applicant along with the request of transfer. One thing must be noted: if the fees is once paid, it will not be refunded in ordinary circumstances, irrespective of the fact that the proceeding has taken place or not. If the controller is satisfied that during the online filing process the fee was paid more than once for the same, the excess fee shall be refunded. A refund is initiated only if an applicant withdraws his request for examination before the first statement of objection is issued. One thing has to be noted here, and the thing is that this refund is only to the extent prescribed in the first schedule. So, the topic that we have covered today is patent registration in India.